Hello, my name is Carlos Maldonado, and I'm the technical support rep and trainer for Iron Ridge and QuickMount. Today we're going to talk about the QBase Mount, which some of you might remember this as the QBase Low Slope Mount or the QBase Deck Mount, which used to be sold as a kit. However, now it's going to be sold separately, and it's going to be two SKUs. You're going to have your QBase and your post sold separately to build whatever mount you need for the desired height for the application you're working with. All right, so let's talk about the two separate SKUs. So the first SKU that you're going to have is the QBase and the grade 8 bolt. The second SKU is going to be your post, which is available in 8 different heights, and the rack to mount hardware, which secures the L-foot to the top of the post and also has a sealing washer that seals the top of the post as well. The post comes in 8 heights for maximum flexibility: 3¼ inches, 4½ inches, 6½ inches, 8½ inches, 11½ inches, 12½ inches, 14½ inches, and 17½ inches. Keep in mind that these measurements represent the length of the post. When the post is combined, a net height is achieved that increases the total mount height by ½ inch. For example, this is a 6.5 inch post. After it's installed to the QBase, it gives you a net height of 7 inches. Let's talk about where and how to attach the QBase mount. The QBase could actually be attached to the decking or to the structure using either 2 mounting points or all 4 mounting points. You can source out a standard 5/16 inch lag screw from a local supply store. However, depending on the application, you have options to use different fasteners. The QBase mount is the only mount that holds both the LARR and the Florida approval and is backed by a 25-year warranty. The QBase mount works on TPO, PVC, EPDM, built-up roofing, comp shingle, tile, shake, slate, and metal shingle roofs. The QBase mount is certified for use with the XR rail system. In conclusion, the QBase and the post are sold as separate SKUs and are both available in lot quantities of 20 each. The products have also been repackaged to be installer friendly with minimal packaging, and box and weight dimensions meet OSHA limits and are easy to transport to the roof. Thanks for watching. Feel free to reach out to our technical support team with any questions you may have on our QBase products.